Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review is going to be another new product from Klein. Now this is the one that I actually made a post about. This is the 21-piece KNECT Starter Kit. Part number on this is 63500KNECT, the KNECT. And it was Pablo Rodriguez. He sent this to me in an email and I made a post about it to let you guys know that it was an option, but I was having a problem getting it. You know, it was the same thing I mentioned in my video for my 16-in-1 impact there. If you haven't checked that one out, they had several new tools. I can find them online. I can find them in the app, but it won't let me buy it in any other way other than going to the physical store and picking them up. So I'm going to put links in the description. I'll put Lowe's links in this shop thing, and if they come available on Amazon, I will put them in the description below. But just know if you're, going exactly whenever I've made this video, maybe they're still not working, maybe they fixed them. You can try them out and see. And this is a set that I think is going to be I think this one's a really good deal for the price compared to maybe you previously were thinking about getting this 1/4-inch pass-through set. I didn't pull the trigger on this for a really long time because it's $50 and I felt like that was way too expensive for, what all you're getting in here, because it's essentially a SAE 1/4-inch ratchet that's pass-through, but, you're paying for bits, just extra bits. That's all you're really getting with that. I feel like this one comes in at $39, so it's $10 cheaper, or it's $40 really, $39.98 or whatever it is. So it's $10 cheaper than that set, and you're getting pretty much all of the same stuff that's in that other than those bits. You are missing one socket size that I'll tell you about, but you're getting a screwdriver that all those things work with, where previously you had to buy the impact ratcheting 11-in-1 in order to have the screwdriver function for all those. Or also you could buy this 16-in-1 that I just had a video for now. That's another option that you can use with that. So this is a set that I think is going to be a better bang for your buck than that set right there. But again, you can make that decision as we go through this. I'll go ahead and get this out of the package and then we'll jump into it. So before we get into the tool itself, let's talk about some of the stuff on the packaging. One is it is made in Taiwan. Some of you always like to ask that. And then here is the parts that is included within it. So you can see that there. And then also I'll give you the sizes because I might not make mention of those. There's your bit sizes that come inside the set. And then there's your nut driver sizes. And the one thing that is on here that you're going to see that's missing is an 11/32. That's not going to be part of this set right here. So if you get into the $50 1/4-inch KNECT set, you do get a 11/32. So if at 11/32, and again pass through, because you could come up with a different way to use 11/32 just normal with this set, with it being cheaper. But maybe you want a 11/32 pass through if that's very important in your job. This set does not come with that. But again, this set right here is $50, and now this set that we're going to look at today is $40. So it's $10 cheaper. You can see it's a bigger case. I'm getting all the nut driver pass-through sizes except for that 11/32. What's the same in this set versus that one? All those. I also get this adapter. I get this extension right here. I get this adapter that allows me to use all those sockets and things inside of an impact. I can take that right there and put it in an impact. All those are the same, along with this 1/4-inch pass-through driver. So again, I can take and put this extension in the driver. I can take and put a socket in the driver, and now I've got a pass-through right there. I can even just go without that extension. Same thing, still have a pass-through, 9/16 right there. Have that with me all the time for a ratchet. Really good options. All those things are the same though. That's the same as that set, and again, $10 more for that one. That's why I think this one is such a much better deal in my opinion, because what do I get? I get less bits. Well, I've got plenty of bits. I never need those. One of the adapters that I get is this one right here. Now this is one of the adapters that actually came in this set that I got. It's the SAE set. Klein sent me this one out, and it has this right here. Well, I ended up later on getting that metric and SAE set, this double set right here, which now they sell separate. I bought those, so I no longer needed these because they're in that set. But this came with this adapter right here, and this is a really useful adapter because what it allows is if you've got like the impact 11-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver, one is I can now put this in here and use any of my flip sockets. So if I've got, whether I have the regular style right here, I can take these and put them on that shaft, or I can take these longer ones like this one right here, slide that on there. It allows me to use all my flip sockets with a screwdriver like the impact 11-in-1 ratcheting, or that new 16-in-1 ratcheting, or the 16-in-1 impact hybrid that I just made a video for. It's a very useful adapter, and it's one that set right there didn't come with. I felt like that should be one that comes standard, because you can also use it, inside of your ratchet. Take that And again, now I can use all these flip sockets that I now have, all the multiple sizes I have, all the metric, all the SAE. I can now use them with my ratchet. That's a very useful adapter, and the fact that this set comes with it and that set doesn't, and this set is cheaper, I think, you know, it's a no-brainer in my opinion to go this route. But it doesn't even stop there, because on top of those, you're also going to get a flip socket shaft with the 7/16, 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4 inch. So you get these extra flip sockets. Of course, we all probably have a gazillion of these by now. But on top of that, you get this screwdriver handle. It says KNECT S right there. It's hollow, has the 12-point design like the Impact Ratcheting 11-in-1, and also that new Impact Hybrid 16-in-1. So I can take that adapter, I can put that in there and use it in that way. A little bit tight fit getting in there. But I can now take and use all my flip sockets on this screwdriver if I want to. I can also take this extension right here, slide that in there. Now I've got a really long hollow nut driver because it's completely hollow inside of here. So now I can take this. I've got a 9/16 hollow nut driver that I can use within this. Super nice there. Or if I really wanted to, you could also take your Impact 11-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. I could take this out. So maybe I bought this to use specifically with my 1/4 inch set. But you're like me, I don't really use the ratcheting feature that much because I'm not a ratcheting screwdriver fan. But if you look at the inside of this, especially if I find that light shining through that yellow right there, the insides of these are exactly the same, other than this one's actually more hollow than that of the ratcheting screwdriver. I've got a little bit more room to fit some stuff down in there. So I can take the shaft out of that screwdriver. If I bought this specifically to work with that, I can now put this inside of there, have a non-ratcheting feature of that KNECT S, and then also use it with this entire set by, again, removing this and using whichever adapter that I want to use. So basically it's the same screwdriver handle kind of as the Impact 11-in-1 ratcheting, minus that ratcheting feature, if that's something that you don't care about, but you're already getting it with this set. So before I had to buy that set for $50, buy this for $30, and then put the two together to be able to have a screwdriver with that set. Well, now this set is coming with basically everything that you need to use this in that same exact way that you were using that screwdriver with that set, but you're getting it included at that $39 or $40 price range, $10 cheaper. Again, that's why I think it's a bigger bang for your buck. Again, you're not going to have this with it because that comes with this screwdriver right here. But if you bought this screwdriver specifically just to work with that set on top of the $50, then you've got $80 inside of this thing, versus now you can do everything that you were able to do with that set with that screwdriver handle inside of this one for $40 now. A little bit cheaper. I feel like, again, more bang for your buck. But yeah, guys, that is the 21-piece Klein KNECT Starter Kit. 63500KNECT is the part number on that. Going to run you $40 at Lowe's. Again, I think if you compare it to the $50 for this set right here, and then another $30 to get a screwdriver handle that works with that set, even though that ratcheting screwdriver might be a better screwdriver because you're getting some different pieces with it, it's a ratcheting screwdriver than this one right here. I think that's why this is called the Starter Kit. So if you've already bought all this stuff, there's really not a lot of extra stuff within this that's going to make it extremely useful other than that one adapter right there. But if it's a starter kit, so if you haven't bought into it yet and you didn't want to spend the $80 to buy that right there, for $40 you can get all these pieces right here. I feel like that's the best value as far as what's out there. But you guys can let me know in the comments below what you think about this set. If you've already got that, do you see anything in here that's going to make you want to buy this one? Or was that really too expensive for you? And now is this price point for what you get here something that's going to be more useful for you? But let me know in the comments below what you think. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.